Y'all, it is like 100 degrees today, 105 or 6 on the whatever that scale is. It is hot. You know what my husband asked me to cook him for dinner? Hamburger soup. So, since I'm the good wife, we're gonna make some hamburger soup. Y'all, he loves that stuff. He don't care. He'd eat it every week if I'd fix it. Okay, we're gonna need a pound of lean hamburger, 2 packs of bouillon or 2 bouillon cubes, some salt, some ground pepper, some orzo, tomatoes, stewed tomatoes, some mushrooms, garlic cloves, an onion, and some frozen or canned mixed vegetables. Okay, we're gonna get this thing started. You can have this soup done in less than 45 minutes. That's why I love it. I don't mind making it. Medium heat. Gonna set that pan up there. Okay, we're gonna get this pan warm, or my Dutch oven, we're gonna get it warm, and then we're gonna put that hamburger in it. We're just gonna plop that hamburger right on down in there. Start breaking it up. All right, while that's browning, we're gonna cut us an onion. The onion, we're just gonna rough chop it, which means just that. We're just gonna rough it up. And y'all, please don't throw those peels away. Put them in your freezer. And all the little ends and pieces off of your celery and your carrots and your bok choy, whatever you're using, take all those little ends and pieces that you bought and paid for and put them in a Ziploc bag and make you some veggie broth. Into the pot goes our onions. We'll give that a little stir round. And then we're gonna dice up some garlic. Okay. And we're just gonna go through here, cut them really small. And then I'm going to take that knife and kind of go like that and get them minced up a little bit smaller. Or you could use a garlic press, but that's just something else for me to wash. So we're going to do it this way. In that garlic goes. Get all of it. We love garlic. That was about 6 little cloves. And you only need that for about 1 minute, and then you'll start really smelling that garlic. Now we're gonna put our mushrooms in. And you don't have to put a whole pack. You could just use half. But Randy loves his mushrooms. All right, I have no liquid at all in the bottom of this pan, and I do not want all that sticking going on. So I'm going to take about a tablespoon of butter in there to alleviate any issue of sticking. Plus, who don't love butter? Okay, my mushrooms have softened up now a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and put in those tomatoes. Okay, and I'm going to go in there and kind of break up those tomatoes just a little bit. Okay, we're going to give that a real good stir. Like that. And then we're going to add those mixed veggies. In our veggies go. Right, now that my veggies are in there, we're going to give that another good stir. And now it's time to add that bouillon. All right, now I just have these Goya beef packets. You can use those, or you can use a box of beef broth already made, or your own, or you can use the little cubes. Really doesn't matter as long as you're getting that flavor in there. And we're just going to drop that right in there. Get that all kind of incorporated down in there. Gonna add our pepper. And I probably somewhere between an 1/8 and 1/4 of a teaspoon. It's somewhere in there. 2 pinches. And give that a good stir. Then we're gonna add 1 quart plain old water, tap water. This is a 1/2 gallon, so half of that is a quart. Okay, now we're going to turn that eye up to high. Let that come up to a boil. As soon as that comes up to a boil, we'll add that orzo pasta. Once we're boiling, we're going to put 1 cup of orzo, or you could use like mini macaroni or little seashells. Any kind of small pasta will work. I just prefer the orzo. Give that a good stir. Turn it down to medium. Put your lid on and just let it simmer till that orzo. Look at that simmer, y'all. It is ready. This is really a meal for a king. Y'all, this really is. It's inexpensive, easy to make, doesn't take a lot of time. And like I said, he absolutely loves it.
I adore this soup so much. I will eat it 2 and 3 days in a row, so long as there's some left in a pot for lunch the next day.
And even it is so hot, y'all. His shirt is soaking wet with the sweat because, you know, we don't have any air conditioning out here in this cook shed, and it is hot.
Yeah, it is. It's hot.
It's hot.
Last time we did a video on this, we was freezing our tail off. But what I want to do is I want to tell you guys, if you want to learn how to make best backwood hamburger soup that you can get your hands on, what a better place to learn how to do it than in a kitchen in the deep woods, North Florida. That's all I got to say. Y'all have a good one, and we will see you later. Oh, tell them what they got to do.
I already did in that excerpt thing. Okay, like, subscribe, and share. Likes are free. Subscriptions are free. We'll see you in the next video.